In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the Guardian-8 charging locker from Chargetech. Tap Charge on the screen. Select an available locker bay. Create a unique PIN code. Enter it again to confirm. The locker bay swings open and you can plug your phone in. Shut the bay door. It will remain locked until you retrieve your phone. To retrieve, tap Retrieve on the screen. Select the original locker bay you used. Enter your PIN code. The bay will swing open and you can get your phone out. For more information, please visit chargetech.com.